DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely top of the range Ford Focus Titanium X, absolutely fully loaded. Got front park distance control, finished in beautiful metallic black, alloy wheels, paintwork's absolutely gleaming. It hasn't been polished, although it's just had a wash off, so it's going to look even better than that. Rear park distance control. So on a Ford, front and rear park distance control means it will have Parktronic, so it'll have self park. Not that I really like that, to be honest. Inside, boot area is all lovely, will be even cleaner. Like I say, it's not been cleaned yet. Got rear parcel shelf, half leather interior, all in lovely condition, not been used and abused. Electric windows, electric mirrors, more half leather interior, electric seats. It's done 116,572 miles. Just started up. Starts up and sounds absolutely spot on. It's got multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, auto headlights. You've got your full media system here, including factory satellite navigation. We've got Bluetooth phone connectivity, radio, obviously all your stations there. It's got DAB as well. Got reverse park sensors, and there's a reverse park camera. 3-stage heated seats, climate control, park pilot. Let's get that up there. 6-speed gearbox. What a lot of car for the money. Absolutely fantastic value. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please